Hello, welcome to my channel. Firstly, I want to wish all my viewers a very happy Navaratri. Today, I am going to do my Halwa puri prayer. I've got my puri done. I did show you all the puri recipe, but the only thing in that puri recipe, you don't use the salt and you don't use the oil when doing prayer. So this is my puri that's already made and deep fried with the ghee. And you don't have to make your patterns like we did for the pata puri. You can just do it simple as this. So I'm gonna start off with my halwa. For my halwa, the ingredients are firstly, I have half a cup of flour, and then half a cup of sugar, two cups of fresh milk, and I have just about half a cup of melted ghee. And to go with the ghee, I am going to use just one cinnamon stick to flavor, and then thereafter for the making of it, I am going to use half a teaspoon of elaichi powder. So this is how I do it. I put in my flour that I already soaked, my sugar, and my milk. And then I will beat it out. People make halwa in various types of ways, but we just go to the simple making. Okay, this is well beaten out. So now I'm going to show you how I cook the halwa. I have my stove on and I'm using my same pot that I've channeled my puri with. I'm going to add in my cinnamon stick, and let it flavor the ghee while frying. Okay, you can see my cinnamon stick has fried out, and gradually I'm going to add in my halwa flour and continue stirring. You have to increase your heat a bit till it comes to a boil. But in the meantime, you have to keep stirring for it not to settle down to the pot. If you want, you can remove your cinnamon stick. You can see as it's thickening, it gets into a lump finish. That's the reason why you have to Continue stirring. Okay, you can see it come together. So to this point I had my half a teaspoon of elaichi powder. Stir it in. I don't usually like my halwa being too thick because as it stands it thickens on its own. So it most likely must have taken a 15 minutes to have it cooked out. And now it's done. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to begin with my prayer, and after my prayer is done I will show you all how we partake in our halwa puri as prasad. Now how you know it's done? When you see your ghee surfacing. So that's how it's done. You can see it's not too thick. See the ghee surfacing in the pot. So that's done. And then I will put my stove off. You will see your ghee surface on top. Very nicely done. There you go, my halwa puri. Finally the prayer all is done and we can partake our halwa puri as prasad. This is how we usually do it. We put the halwa in between and fold it over. And thank you all for watching, and may you all have a blissful Navaratri.